Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to extract email addresses from Google, Gmail, or G Suite email accounts. This is incredibly useful when you need to back up your contacts, migrate them to a new account, or simply export them for use in other applications. First, make sure you're signed into your Gmail or Google Workspace account. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do that now. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Right beside your profile icon, you'll see a grid of dots, which is the Google Apps menu. Click on it to reveal all the available Google applications. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for the Contacts option and click it. This will take you to your Google Contacts page, where you'll see all the contacts stored in your account. This is your central hub for managing everyone you've ever emailed or added manually. Now, on the upper right part of the screen, you'll notice an Export button sitting beside the three dots menu. Click on Export to open the Export Options dialog. This is where you'll specify how you want your contacts formatted for extraction. In the pop-up window that appears, you'll need to choose your export format based on what you plan to do with these contacts. Select Google CSV if you're importing the contacts into another Google account. Choose Outlook CSV if you're planning to use them with Microsoft Outlook or other email applications. Or select vCard for iOS contacts if you want to import them to an iPhone or Mac. Each format serves a specific purpose, so pick the one that matches your needs. After selecting your preferred format, click the Export button. This will download your contacts as either a CSV or vCard file, depending on what you chose. Make sure to save the exported file somewhere on your computer where you can easily locate it later, perhaps your desktop or downloads folder. If you want to import these contacts into another account, simply sign into that account, open Google Contacts again, and click Import from the left sidebar. Then click Select File, locate the CSV or vCard file you exported earlier, and click Import. Your contacts will be added to the new account immediately. And that's it. Your email addresses are now extracted, backed up, and ready to use wherever you need them. Thanks for watching.